Inside the cramped mouse home, dim light casts shadows on the mean little mouse as his brother's excitement bubbles around a mound of food. The mean little mouse watches with disdain as his silly little brothers excitedly gather around a pile of food. In a scene of naive joy, the silly little brothers eagerly gather around a pile of food. In the heart of the mouse home, a mischievous glint sparks in the eyes of a mean little mouse as he plots his petty act. With wicked glee, the mean little mouse deliberately sneezes into the food pile, tainting their precious feast with his spite. Oblivious to the unfolding treachery, the brothers chatter excitedly, their innocent joy soon to be shattered by the mean little mouse's act. Unaware of the impending doom, the Mouse brothers remain innocent, their happiness casting a shadow on the mean little mouse's heart. Inside the mouse home, an atmosphere of naive curiosity fills the air as the silly little brothers cautiously approach the tempting food. A moment of hesitation washes over them, a subtle sense that something is amiss disrupting their carefree anticipation. Unseen, the mean little mouse watches with a smug satisfaction, his dark scheme unfolding exactly as planned.